Afternoon folks, it's Tuesday the 3rd of March. I've just come to pick up my friend Wayne, aka Pennine Wayne, and we are off on another wild camp off the Snake Pass in the Derwent Dam area. So I've just arrived, let's go and see if he's ready, and hopefully this warm winter day will stay like this, because it is not a bad day at all. We've really been blessed. In a bit! And then we'll just get some other bits, yeah.
I don't want to buy bottles either. I want to buy a can.
So we've just been to Aldi Staley Bridge for some bits. Gonna nip into Glossop to grab a few extra bits for Wayne because he wants some posh beer. He wants some trendy beer.
Oh yes!
And it's sunny, which is pretty good for the 3rd of March. Hopefully it'll stay fairly mild to warm all afternoon. Just heading up towards the deep cutting this way. I'm taking Wayne to a little place I know on Derwent Dam off the Snake Pass, where I've camped a few times. It's a little hidden cutting.
Paradise.
And you'll see it when you see it. Wayne, I'm getting that feeling of deja vu again. Deja vu, what's going on?
What do you think?
It's up to you, mate.
Jump it out.
You get a beer, lad.
Yeah. Tent bag, I think they are. Got a new tent. I'm going for the first time. I'll be sleeping in it tonight.
What tent is it?
It's called a Fjern.
What's going on here? Did he even look before the lights turned? Clowns. So we just nipped into Glossop for a couple more bits for Wayne, and we are leaving the centre to get up on the Snake Pass. Traffic's terrible today. But you know what they say? You're not into traffic, you are traffic. It would have been a mad to like walk back to the car up here, mate. I would have been crazy. That bleak blow camp. Not today, my friend. Footage.
Pennine Way! Over there! Pennine Way! Here!
What's up? So we just arrived at Derwent Dam, taking a minute or two to rest before we carry on to our other parking spot. But check this out. What a jump. Hello there. So we arrived, it was only a short walk from where we parked. Tents are up and I'm hungry, so I think it's time I should make me and Wayne a cup of coffee and I'll show you around. Hey guys, so we've been here about 3/4 of an hour or so, and tents are up. It's cooler because there's a load of trees around.
It's beautiful.
It's a nice place. I came here once with Steve, with movie star Dave, and I've been here with Christian as well. Well,
I'm a virgin.
It was Christian who found the place because we were stuck somewhere up there, and Christian saw it down here, and then we took it as our spot. There you go. Hyena 2, OBX tent, and Wayne has got this posh one. I don't even know the name. Fern. Bulletproof that, isn't it? Looks bomb-proof. Right, it's time for coffee. In a bit. Right. Come here, come here, come to me. He's attacking me with his drone. He just sent it flying at me. Did you see that? Somebody call the cops. So tonight we're doing some mashed potato with sausages, gravy and asparagus with chilies. Should be quite a nice hearty, comforting meal. Can't wait for that. Got some sweet snacks too, some ginger biscuits, chili coated peanuts and dangerous drumsticks. And no, I'm not going to eat all these on my own. I'm going to share them with Wayne, I promise. I promise! Oh!
Try not to do what I did last time. We can land it.
Right, it's beginning to get a bit dark now, so I need to prep my food up, cut up some spuds and veg for our bangers and mash. It's going to get dark really fast. And asparagus. Let's get on with it.
Videoing. The monster mash.
Oh, a leaf in there. And we'll stir in an egg as well, and it'll be super nice, this.
I'm getting excited.
Yeah, you'll be doing this now every week, Wayne.
Yeah.
It's a super creamy way to dairy up your mash. It's quite creamy and nice.
Creamy and nice.
There you go. Give these a stir, a turn. Man over, board. Man down. Yeah, we need them to brown off a bit more, I think, don't we?
Yeah.
Right, let's finish this. Right, that's done.
Right.
Got my oil. Dropped half of it on the grass. So it got dark really quick. Tea's almost done, even though I've had a pork pie and a sandwich and a brew. But now I want a beer in this tea. Can't see much of camp because we're by torchlight, but we're looking good.
Ready?
Oh,
there you go.
look at them. Look at them lights.
Blackpool illuminations eat your heart out. Hey?
Look at that. Lovely, mate. Hi, Jemmy.
Look, she's swinging.
Turning these babies. The sausage balls. Right, they'll be done in another 2-3 minutes and we can serve up, pal. Potatoes done, asparagus is done. Chilli, sausage balls is done.
Looking forward to this.
Extra greens there.
One of your 5 a day.
Something like that. There's loads left there, you know, in there, mate.
Got his spuds out.
I'm in the dark.
Like a mushroom.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
True democracy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Or is this true communism?
I'm just
Everything
trying to be
equal.
fair.
And fair.
What do you think of that, lad?
That looks bloody good, doesn't it, eh? Wow, look at that, eh?
Hey folks, so it's 10:30, pitch black outside. We've had a few beers, we've had a chat and a laugh, played some tunes, and yeah, it's just really chilled. The sound of the brook outside, just really chilled. So yeah, I'm gonna have a bit of a sleep, and hasta mañana. Hey there. So it's 3 AM. There's not a lot going on. Had a bit of a sleep. Pitch black outside, obviously. Sound of the river, the brook, very relaxing. But not an eventful camp, just a relaxing one. Have some breakfast out on the way home. And we'll probably be away for 8 or 9 in the morning. Anyway, go back to sleep, eh? In a bit. 3 o'clock in the morning. And this happened. Oh man. I should get back to sleep actually. Just burnt myself. Got gravy all over your gas. Hang on. So, good morning. 7:30. Camping again after all this time. Oh, was my night uncomfortable? Wasn't too bad. I was losing stuff all over the tent. Things got put down, then they got lost as usual. But that's the joy of outdoor camping. But what a beautiful morning we are on, folks. We've got a babbling brook. Look at this. Beautiful views. Look at that. Oh, just made a brew. Gonna pack down the kits shortly and make things nice around here. Might fly the drone again. Oh dear. But yeah, in bed from 9:10, as it was quite cool and dark. Well, go and enjoy my brew. In a bit.
Tell you what, I loved the sound of that water just flowing last night. It was lovely. Right in front of my camera. Alright, yeah, it was beautiful, it was tranquil. I tell you what, I slept really well. The sounds just incredible. Lovely. I feel refreshed. I don't know.
That's nice, that, mate.
When I wake up at home, I don't know, I don't feel as refreshed as this. I think it's the trees, the energy, the nature.
I think you're right.
I couldn't motivate myself. I don't know what it is. It was just, you know, I've been like this for about since we did that last camp. Well, it has rained a lot, hasn't it? Oh,
Hey guys, gonna take up the drone again, see if I can improve on my skills. Let's see. Hello again, it's 20 to 9 on brew number 2 and we're packing down so we can leave the house and go home. Packing down. Cheers. So, packing down before we get back to the car. It's not far away at all. And then we might get into Glossop for breakfast. We shall see. Soon a bit oyster cloth. Hey? Nah. Yeah, it's alright, innit? Yeah, could do with a stove and oyster cloth. That would be good. Oh my days, it's too early in the morning for this. Wayne's just done an edit cut, which I recommended. And he's only gone and done it and got naked. Look at this clown here!
Don't give me ideas like that, Baldy!
What's he doing? Get out of the way, Oh, he's naked! What a nutter! Anyway, I'll speak to you in a minute. I'm traumatised.
Right, on that note, I think it's time to leave the arse. I think we need to pack up, don't we? Pack it up, pack it in.
Let me begin.
And then we'll be gone. Leave no trace and all that, won't we?
I came to camp like the Garda
Take
tramp.
it down as quick as I put it up. You ready? Watch this. Watch this. Ready? 1, 2. Hang on. Didn't quite work that time. Ready? Hang on a minute. I've got to use a bit of edit. I need to collect some tree energy. Right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that! See, I told you, magic. Oh my God, look! Where's it go?
I'm about to get the camera wet for the first time. So we're all done again, as usual. All tidied up, leave no trace, leave it nicer than when you arrived if possible, and we are good to go, folks.
Yeah, that. See you later. Thanks for watching.
Hello again, so we're just leaving, heading home. Let's get out of here.
Oh yeah! Getting his leg over. He's a rhinestone cowboy. Rodeo.
Yes. Stuck. There you go. Oh my days. I'm stuck in a riverbed. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Where's my hat gone? Oh, it's here. That tree's just pulled off my hat. That's better. Every time I'm out with Wayne, we find a dead sheep.
It's an omen.
For your entertainment, folks. It's a ram, it's got curly horns. But he doesn't smell yet. He probably does. Back at the car. So, another camp done. That's the first wild camp of this year. And many more to come. Next week we might be up in the lakes again. See you on the next one. Did you enjoy that, Wayne?
Indeed, it was wonderful, yeah.
Fantastic.
Fully recharged.
I'm glad.
I feel like a brand new man.
Good stuff. Hey guys. Tuck in the teaspoons, Wayne.
Oh yes. Look at this, I'm making a butty.
Alright.